I used to spend hours per day checking my Robinhood app and listening to financial news. Now, when I made this one change, my net worth exploded. From 2021 to 2022, I lost multiple figures in the stock market investing. In fact, at one point, one of the scariest things in the world happened. I saw the margin call line appear on my Robinhood. I was about to lose everything. I needed to take immediate action. Now, normally investing is supposed to be a good thing, but it was causing me massive amounts of stress, taking massive amounts of my time and energy away from growing my business. I was also diverting time that I would have spent building myself as an entrepreneur, learning new marketing tools, staying up to date with best practices. I was spending that time watching financial news. So that was taking away from my business even further. Now, as a business owner, it's really important to know that the biggest lever that you can pull to change your net worth is going to be focusing on growing your business. That's what's going to make you the most money in the long run, not investing. So every minute of your time that's spent learning, researching, watching videos, and implementing should be done on your business, not on your portfolio, not on your stocks. So I recommend that every entrepreneur do exactly what I did. I closed down my Robinhood app and I hired a financial advisor to manage all of my stocks and trades, and it has been game-changing. Not only did he save me from being margin called, but he outperformed anything that I could have done. It also took a massive load of stress and time off of my plate to free up time to focus on my business and on myself. So if you don't already know, you might think hiring a financial advisor might be out of your reach with how much money that you currently have, but financial advisors are very affordable. Mine charges me about 1% of my total portfolio only on the way in. And he calls me every single week with updates and trade alerts and things that he wants to do. So it's a really collaborative and fun process. It also prevents you from making the stupid mistakes that I was making in the Robinhood app, listening to a YouTube video and spending thousands of dollars on a stock that I had not learned about. This is due to several factors, including emotion and inexperience. And having a financial advisor is that voice of reason that's going to help you push through it. So most entrepreneurs, like myself included, don't like to accept that they can be bad investors, can be emotional investors. I was the exact same way, but once you leave your ego at the door and hire somebody to take over that massive burden, it frees up a lot of stress. You're going to feel much better, and your business is going to grow as a result. However, if you're watching this and you're new to investing and you probably think that you're a best investor in the world, maybe you've made a few dollars in a recent crash, believe me, if you're not doing something full-time, which is spending 80 hours a week on watching stocks, practicing, and years doing this with other people's money and learning from the pros, eventually you're going to do what I did. You're going to get yourself in a hole, you're going to make some mistakes, and it's going to cost you a lot. So if you can take anything from this video, learn from my mistakes, hire a financial advisor, focus on your company, and you'll be better for it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.